Good morning, everybody. We're here on the end of the finishing line. And this is a prototype of an accumulation table. Eric and Allie were out in California touring other record pressing facilities, and they saw someone that had something like this. So Eric tasked us with building one. Michael and his guys designed this. So this is step one. Michael, show us how it works.
Okay, we have 4 pockets over here. So, hey, go. Yeah. So, every time we catch it, when it is full, we can turn this table so the other one going to catch. So they will let jump, cool down, and air push out. So, hey, keep going. So every time when the third pocket loaded, then we can discharge the drain too far. So when it keeps going, when it is full, this already empty, and the other one ready to catch.
Tell me how you built it.
I got a picture to show everybody.
So yeah, these guys put this together in just a few hours yesterday, and this is going to be a very cool improvement. Now, obviously, we're not gonna keep it made out of a spool and plywood. We'll probably have the guys at 80/20 help us design one, and we'll build some automation into it, some sensors, so that it'll know when it's full, then it'll tick in the next position. We'll probably add several more catch bins, but this is step one, and this is pretty cool. I mean, really smart how to do this.